Mistplay lets you earn units by playing featured mobile games, but the rooms you choose can affect which games appear and how you spend your time inside the app. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay rooms work, how to find better game options, and what to check before spending hours on a game that may not match your goals. Mistplay rooms are sections inside the app that organize available games and offers. The games shown can change based on your account, device, location, and available promotions. The best room to play depends on what you are trying to do. If you want to discover new games, check rooms with games you have not installed before. Mistplay often focuses on new game opportunities, because these offers are designed to encourage players to try different apps. If you already have a game you enjoy, choose a room that includes that game instead of switching constantly. Staying with one game can make it easier to track your progress and complete the required activities. Before starting any game, open the game details page and check the requirements. Some offers may require you to reach certain milestones, play for a specific amount of time, or complete actions inside the game. Avoid choosing a game only because it appears at the top of the list. A game that matches your interests is usually easier to keep playing than one you install only for rewards. You can also check Mistplay regularly, because available games and offers can change. A room that has useful games today may look different later. If a game does not track properly, confirm that you installed it through Mistplay, and that the app has the required permissions. Tracking issues can prevent progress from being recorded. The best strategy is to choose games you actually want to play. Check the reward requirements before starting, and focus on offers that fit your playing style. Your next step is to open Mistplay, review the available rooms, and compare the game requirements before choosing one. If this guide helped you understand Mistplay better, subscribe for more app tips and like the video.